Hi, I'm John Spivey, Head of R&D at Cloud Electronics, and I'm here at ISE 2020 to talk to you about the new CA series digital amplifiers. The CA series digital amplifiers are a big product for us. They replace a number of our existing high and low impedance amplifiers. They're new for this year. We have 2, 4, 6 and 8 channel variants. They're fully Class D, switchable high and low impedance per channel. They have very low power consumption when they're idle. Very simple user interface, rear panel dip switches for input routing, high pass filter, enable, disable, and APD disable, enable. They are auto power sharing in the high impedance channels, and they feature a Dante option card. We have 2, 4 and 8 channel Dante option cards to go with them. As I say, really exciting product for us. For more information, please visit the website www.cloud.co.uk. Thank you very much.